Good morning. Just finished the live stream. I'm going to have a breakfast. I'm starving. Another horrible day. Raining. I'm gonna spend the day in the house for sure. Anyway, got a lot to do. Oh yeah. Later. Breakfast time. Okay, I managed to get this monitor running again. Just a matter of changing the transformer there. So anyway, this is gonna go, this TV, now it's gonna go on that wall. So we can watch TV as we're in bed. But I got a problem, my bracket is not for this TV, so I need to modify that. Let's go and show you. Okay, so it's 100 mil apart. So I'm gonna have to try to drill that. Let's do that. I don't have a center punch, but I use those screws, got a very sharp at the end, very pointed. Just use that. I don't know if you can see it. That should be enough. Okay, let's drill it. Okay, that's close enough. Okay, well, this TV came with this kind of screw.
Where? Oh, the puppy.
And it's wrong, it's too big. So I had to dig out something in my collection. I got those one there. And start screwing one here. It's go perfect. So that's what I'm gonna use. $210, so let's make 200. Should be okay. Space 200 here. Okay, after lunch, I asked GM to help me put the TV on position.
You want one?
Which one you want?
Okay, here.
This one? You want this one?
She wants to get her piece. Okay, and how are you gonna eat that?
Yeah, everything's gonna fall if you don't hold it straight.
Okay, eat like this.
Like this. Look, look, mommy. Look, mommy. Look, mommy. Yeah. Show her, mommy.
She's not.
Like this. Like this. Oh my God.
I told you this for
If you throw this, it's pretty easy to hook in there. Okay, done. Internet in the middle of the day, it's not very good. Okay, all good, just internet sucks. Where's the puppy, my love? Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy?
Look, puppy. No, it's finished.
Where's the puppy? Puppy? Oh. You're trying to relax. Now we got the TV here. It's beautiful.
Is that Bella? Huh?
That's Bella. Bella all excited. Okay, today no work. I'm a rest. Still haven't recovered from Manila and yesterday shopping with Typhoon.
Sleep. Mommy, I put your TV.
Okay, what can you put, mommy? Something for the kids, yeah. Is there any sound? That's the only thing. Keep her quiet, sort of. Sort of. Up in the sky, see? That's why she look up with her hand.
That's the plane, my love.
Oh, the plane, yeah.
See?
Yeah, up in the sky, my love. Smarty. Jam has made some beautiful sandwich. Lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise. I don't know what else. There's a lot of stuff. Avocado. Oh, yum. Beautiful. Yeah, I haven't done anything today. No work. I really needed to relax. But I've been looking at Starlink. This is what's going to be in the box. And I'm not too sure about the mount yet. So I haven't done anything about that. I was thinking about pipe adapter mount maybe, but I can probably put in the veranda somehow. So I'm going to see what's the best spot to make it work. And then I will purchase whatever is required. But for now, the only thing I order is the Ethernet adapter. Why? Because my PC Wi-Fi doesn't really work very well. And we should have an Ethernet cable. Now, I'm going to do some search, but I believe that you can put a different router, and then you'll have a few Ethernet port. But we need to find out a bit more about this. So anyway, for now, I just ordered this one, which is 2000. Doesn't open. I don't know. In the app on my phone, it does open. You can go shopping, and it's 2,500 peso for that. Apparently, it's only $20 in USA. Yeah, but they need to post to us, I guess. That's probably what add to the price. Yeah, so first we get the delivery, and then we'll see where we're gonna put it. I think if I put to the veranda, pointing to the sky, I think it should be alright. Anyway, we'll see when he comes in. Hey, good morning, guys. Hope all good. We had a lot of strong wind, and we got just another damage I just noticed. I need to go and fix that. Let's go and show you. Yeah, this thing just collapsed, but I can fix that. Clean up time.
Because Bella
Oh, Bella did all the mess.
Yeah.
And Bella put everything on the floor too.
Yeah, she's the one.
Look at Mimi. Oh, windy. You got a trash bag there?
I need one.
You need one.
If you mind to get for me.
I'll bring you one.
And you check the baby.
Yes, I will.
I think it's empty.
Okay, good job, Joe. Doesn't seem to budge with the wind at all. My love, is that puppy? Where's the puppy? So windy. Let's go home.
What happened to my flower?
I don't know what happened.
You
No,
didn't-
I never touched this plant.
Ah,
It's rotten. It's getting rotten. Maybe you should cut it. She saw you broke a plant, throwing the book.
what's this? I will not bring you anymore there. Because you're gonna throw all my stuff. Give me so much work.
Lunch ready. Fish, yum. Okay, let's hit. Working hard.
Yeah.
Is that all for tomorrow?
Yep.
That looks pretty clean.
Yeah, I don't want to
Excellent.
bring Bella.
You got a nice chair.
I need a chair.
I gotta go for coffee
Okay.
and see how we go with the bathroom tile. That's it for today. As for the towel, we're gonna talk about next video. Where's my baby? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.